Dear audience, in this short video I will be giving an overview of flow monitoring solution that we at Taltech have developed for sediment motion modeling and applied in other pilots within Iliad. Coastal areas are vital to humans as large percentage of population lives near the coast, drawn by economic opportunities and abundant natural resources. We use tools like satellites, unmanned vehicles, and radar to monitor these areas remotely, providing us with broad overview. However, our detailed understanding of what's happening near the seafloor remains limited. To better understand and model processes which are happening near the coast areas, collecting in situ data is very important. Collecting this data, on the other hand, is challenging for various reasons. The shallow depth, turbulent flow conditions, and rapidly changing seabed increase the risk of losing equipment that is often expensive. Therefore, our motivation is to provide better tools for marine researchers to improve understanding of nearshore processes and also validating marine coastal modeling of the shoreline processes. As a solution, we upgraded a low TRL device called the HydraMest within Iliad project. Within Iliad, we extended the velocity range and capabilities of the device and added communication capabilities to the device. We also upgraded the internal software so it could be used as a standalone device. Within Iliad, we thoroughly demonstrated and validated the device's performance in sediment transportation studies. One of the studies took place in Svalbard in Norway, where the sensors were deployed over an Arctic winter and were continuously measuring more than a year. Additionally, we did a sediment transportation study in the Baltic Sea in the Bay of Riga to demonstrate the technology's suitability within the environment and to validate the results against the state-of-the-art acoustic Doppler devices. The data from the experiments in the Bay of Riga is now also available on EMODnet for open access. During the validation studies, we also patented the updated technology. During the validation and testing phase, we also explored alternative applications for the HydraMast sensor. We deployed the HydraMast in the port of Varna in Bulgaria in collaboration with the Bulgarian port infrastructure. There, the HydraMast were used to monitor currents in the two channels connecting the Black Sea and the Lake of Varna. The real-time information about the flow conditions was used by the port authorities to improve the safe navigation through the channels in Varna port. In the port of Heraklion on the island of Crete, the HydraMast helped trigger alerts when strong currents were detected, allowing for better route modeling for ships entering the port. Along the Adriatic coast of Italy, the HydraMast sensors were installed within a mussel farm to monitor wave activity and seawater temperature with the aim of helping to ensure safe farming conditions. In all cases, users received live data from the sensors via developed communication module, either directly via radio communication, GSM or Ethernet connection. The live data feed was also visualized through a user-friendly graphical user interface powered by Amazon Cloud tools. Building on the progress made in the Iliad project, we have already begun selling the HydraMast device to early adopters who have procured their units. We are also in active discussion with several companies regarding potential procurement or licensing of the technology. So far, we have sent sample devices to more than 3 companies for evaluation. Looking ahead, after Iliad project concludes, we plan to continue advancing the HydraMast, expanding its capabilities for both research and industrial applications. To learn more about the Hydromass device, visit the Iliad Marketplace. You can find the link in the description below.